Welcome back, guys. In this video we're going to give the TT a Haldex service. Okay, now on to the next job, but before we do, please do subscribe. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Okay, so next on the list is the Haldex oil and filter. So that's the filter, that's the cap, that's the oil. So it looks like silicone, but there's actually oil inside it. So I think what you do is cut the top off here, then jam that into the hole and find something like probably like this bar and just push it in. Okay, so that's what the filter looks like, or the cap that goes on the filter. Right, so now I'm going to show you where the actual filter is. So again, tailpipe, so we're at the back of the car, you go underneath, that's the gearbox that we changed, or the differential that we changed last time. And just in there, you can see just the side of it. Oh, you can see just my fingers, that's the very back of it. And yeah, it's really awkward to get at. So thankfully, you can't do this unfortunately unless you buy the special tool. And you can see at the very top, it's actually chamfered, so there's actually like a chamfer, or it's angled anyway. So we're going to attempt to get this in. So I've seen this done once, so I said I'd make my own video. So you go in, this is pointing now at the front of the car where the front wheels are. So you go in this side of it, and see that chamfer at the top that follows, so you get loads of angle, and we try to sneak it in and straighten it up. This isn't going too well. Okay, after just wiggling it there, come on, focus. So you can see that's on, and then you go anti-clockwise and we'll wind it off. Okay, next is take a T5, and where is it gone? Down here. Right, and we're going to open the bung and drain the Haldex oil. Okay. Brilliant. Okay, I'm going to let that drain now, and I'm going to then refill it. Okay, and that's the old filter now out, and you can see the hole. It's a bit hard to see. You can see the hole that the filter came out of, so you undo it a little bit with the wrench until you can still get the wrench away. Then you wind the rest of it out by hand, and I assume that's going to be the same way of getting the new filter in reverse order. Okay, so nearly finished draining, and not really looking forward to putting all this oil back in. I've heard horror stories, so we'll find out how hard it is. So now I'm going to get the oil into the Haldex system. I have the bung and the nut ready to go, so I hope you can see all of that. Okay guys, so now I'm going to do the Haldex oil. So I have the Haldex oil here, bung here, and you can use the end of the spanner. Okay, it's going in nice and easy, fairly quickly. It's a light oil. Okay, now the big thing. Can I get the nut back in? Okay. Okay. Didn't cross thread it or anything. Finished. So that's how you do the Haldex oil. And yeah, not my favourite job at all. So there you have it, guys. That's how you service the TT. So I have all the oils and all the filters now done. So if you like these videos, don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. Support me in PayPal in the link below. And as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.